What's up, CrewZ Nation? It's your boy Zawawi and welcome back to a new vlog. So today we're gonna discuss two main things, or actually three. First of all, as you can see, I haven't posted anything in a while because the M3 is getting some exterior touches because I drift quite often and kissing the wall gets, destroys the interior a bit. Exterior, scratches here and there, maybe a little bump that I needed to be fixing. It took a bit longer than expected because they needed to get the right color for the M3. Secondly, and you'll see it below, is the two upgrades I got. Haven't opened them yet, although I know exactly what's inside of them. The first one is for my interior. For those who followed my vlog and seen the interior of my car, the carbon fiber, I think I've said too much, is not original. It's fake carbon fiber. So I went with Autotechnic. You guys rock. The first upgrade I did with them was my mirrors. They're carbon fiber now. Secondly is what's in the big box, and that's the entire interior. 100% gorgeous carbon fiber. Although I haven't opened it yet, but from the photos I've seen and everything, I am so excited to install it next week. It's about 23 parts. I've never done this before, so it's gonna be an adventure for all of us, and for those who want to do it in the future, you can use this as a handbook. That's what I've been doing. I've been watching YouTube videos of people, changing their interior and so on and so forth. And secondly is the package, or the package upgrade I got from Turner Motorsport, which I will not be posting until the Clutch and FlyWheel come in. So that should give you an idea of what the upgrade is. Maybe not. Please, comment below. Tell me, what do you think it is? And that's pretty much about it. To be honest with you, I've been focusing on upgrading the suspension now. So I'm working on the rear end. We're going with race grade control arms. I have a front sway bar. Now I'm getting the rear sway bar, and I'm not really sure about which suspension upgrade to get. So you have a plethora of them. So if anyone has any suggestions, because I love the ride height for the M3, but when you take it to the track and whatnot, you want to adjust it depending on which track you're at. Here in Saudi, or in Riyadh, we only have two tracks. One is actually just like an open field where you can just go drifting, and they put cones and whatnot, and that's called Dirab Park. And the second one is Reem International Circuit, which is actually a proper racetrack. So I'm working on these upgrades, and I would love for those, and I know there's hundreds of people with more experience than myself. So if you have any suggestions, ideas, which route should I take, but keep in mind, ultimately what I'm trying to do is transform the car from what it is to something completely different. What I mean by different is that I want it to be it's gonna be street legal, but I want it to encompass every race component possible. Yes, it's gonna be loud, jerky and whatnot, but that actually gives me pleasure. I love how mechanical the car is after I upgraded some of the engine parts. And much thanks goes to Nick from the swap shop, and I'll put his Instagram below. So for those in Riyadh, he's the man to go to. Other than that, to be honest with you, been taking it easy because one of the other upgrades, which is not really an upgrade, and I did post it on my Instagram, which tires to get, and everyone's telling me to go with Michelin, I think it's Super Sport. Yeah, Michelin Super Sport, if I'm not mistaken. If I am, please correct me. Other than that, nothing, to be honest with you. And the reason I'm changing the tires, because I've had these tires for a while, and at fourth gear with the traction off, the car, you know, just still goes sideways, or fishtails, or as one of my friends, Turk, called it, Hawaiian. You know, because the Hawaiian ladies shake it. Anyways, that's pretty much it. You know, it's as usual, or not as usual, but this is a sweet and short vlog. You know, if you have any comments, any ideas of which direction I should go and whatnot, please do not hesitate to contact me, you know, comment, and so on and so forth. If you enjoy my vlog, my videos, my reviews, please subscribe, like, comment, and much love. Zawawi out. Peace.